Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am really nervous and I'm going to get my wisdom teeth out tomorrow on Monday. It is currently Sunday night and I actually have to take some like pre-medications tonight for the pain, so I'm ready for tomorrow or something like that. My teeth have went through quite the journey and have had quite the transformation. I actually got my braces off not too long ago. I'll link down below that vlog if you are interested. I'm gonna have my best friend Maddie here with me tomorrow as well. She has already gotten hers off. But I asked you guys to send me some questions on my Instagram so I can answer them tomorrow because I'm going to be on laughing gas and I'm going to be like loopy and stuff. I feel like that's the part I'm most nervous for because like I don't know what I'm going to say. What if I like rat myself out or like snitch or something? I don't know. Also, you guys have never seen me film in this room before. This is my family room. I've never set up my camera here before. I actually don't know why I'm filming in this room right now. It's kind of good lighting though. Also, I just want to apologize in advance for how ugly I'm about to be looking for the rest of the video. I'm not going to be like aware enough to be able to like fix myself up, so yeah, just sorry for that. But yeah, the next time you see me, it'll probably be the morning of or after I've gotten it done. I'll probably vlog before that. And also there were a couple of other things I had to do. I had to take off my nail polish, I took off my jewelry, and I'm just in like casual clothing. This like gray striped maroon ringer tee, my Adidas joggers, and my white Nike Huaraches. You'll be okay.
You good? Can you give me a thumbs up? No? Thumbs up?
Keep your mouth closed. Keep your mouth closed. Aren't you supposed to bite? Just it's a big step here, so just watch it and take one step for me. And then if you still notice a lot of bleeding, you can put the gauze back in.
Tori, you okay? You alright? You're good?
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Have a good day. Thanks.
Alright, sir. Keep her comfortable with the pills, okay?
Alrighty, will do. Thanks a lot. Okay. Call us if you need anything. Thank you. You gotta keep that on now. You did good, honey. What time is it? It's 10:49.
10:49. 10:49. 10:49. Looking great. Doing great. You ready to answer some questions? I'm gonna try to keep it to yes and no questions, or try to work out what she's saying. So, yeah, until she gets the gauze out. Then.
It's numb. It's gonna be numb, honey.
You know where your lips are? You can see your lips? That's gross, yeah. Let's not do that. Tori, you got an IV. How much pain are you in? Put up your fingers, 1 to 10.
Yes, 1 to 10.
1 to 10, put up your fingers. 10? 10 being the worst, yeah. No, 10 being the worst.
No, she's asking you what your pain rating is.
Yeah.
You're not repeating, we're asking you.
Yeah. How much pain are you in? 1 to 10.
How much pain are you in?
7. Her lips are so dry.
Here, they gave you a chopstick.
Yeah, we got a free chopstick.
They don't give you sugar.
It looks like a bad chopstick. It is.
She didn't be a chocolate milkshake.
Oh, put your tongue back in your mouth. Put your tongue back in. Put it back in. Who's your favorite person? you thinking right now? She wants to see someone. Who do you want to say?
Special someone.
A special someone. You wanna call Carly? You wanna FaceTime Carly? Yeah, that's your lip. Stop crying. You're fine. You're fine.
You bit your lip?
You're fine. She bit her lip. Yeah.
Oh, because it's numb and you can't feel it.
Oh, you're fine. You're
Oh
fine.
my god, my heart. I can't. I really can't. Please.
Oh, I want to order. You can't order.
I want to order.
You can't order.
You can't order. They're
No.
not going to understand.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright.
Chocolate shake.
No. You.
Welcome to McDonald's. May I help you?
No.
And a sausage burrito.
No.
No thanks.
Chocolate milk. She wants chocolate milk.
chocolate
milk.
A chocolate milk?
Yes. Alright.
No.
The order?
Yeah.
Yes. Finish your chocolate order.
Yes. Can't even.
Hi.
What are you thinking right now? No? I asked you what your favorite song is. Tori Lanez. What song? Drip, drip, drip. So it hurt. Did you feel anything during it? No.
I'm going to take you to go out. How long did it seem like you were under for?
Yeah. How long did it seem that you were under for? She forgets. Going there. The IV. That's it? Yeah, we know that. Yeah, your IV. Yeah, the laughing gas. They put you under the laughing gas. Did you try doing anything? No. She got it.
Do you want a frappe?
Georgia, can you take that?
You got chocolate milk. Just another chocolate milk? Why don't you get a frappe though, because that'll be nice and cold. A mocha frappe.
I thought you said it's numb. No, you're not getting out.
No.
Well, look what you got.
Right? I didn't get the bag.
No. Oh, don't cry. She crying.
More. Stop, honey. Thank you.
Are you gonna take a nap instead? No? You should probably take a nap. Oh, okay. Leave it in there. Tori, guess what? Guess what? When you go home, you get to see Snickers. Yeah! Yeah, Snickers is gonna be there. go? Texas? Texas? Yeah. You want to ride a horse? Yeah? We could go shopping. You want to get a Forever 21? In Texas? Yeah, of course. Where else? Were your doctors nice? You don't know? I don't know. Your tongue is not missing. It's still there. I promise. You're okay.
Don't worry, we'll get you a new one.
Yeah, we'll get you a new one.
Can I see it? She
You.
doesn't believe it's there.
Bye, I love you. You'll be fine, don't worry. You know, I wouldn't let nothing happen to you.
She says
Alright,
she loves you
goodbye.
too.
Love you. Bye, love you.
Can you walk at all? Yeah.
Just have the camera rolling for me.
What did you just say? She said, I'm not no bitch.
Tell me how to get home from here. How do I
Yeah.
get home? You don't know? Turn left? Where, right here? Oh, okay.
Tori, you know we're in Texas? I'm just kidding, we're not in Texas. It's okay, you're going home though.
Which way do I go?
Yeah, where's she going?
Left here? Huh? Not here? Okay.
Why are you going on Twitter? On your mom's phone?
Now which way? Huh?
Straight.
No, look left.
You're home.
Left.
Yeah, you're home.
See if she can open the door. You're doing good. Watch a step. Well, you're all right.
Oh. Can I have her sit down?
You want to go right up to your bed? Probably, yeah. Help her up the steps.
Sit down. I meant on the other chair. Get on the other chair. That's good, that's good. No, that's not your lip.
Please don't cry.
Oh, please, bro.
Oh my god.
Right now, I'm eating some Jello on my strawberry peanut from Walmart. Did they take out all 4?
Yes, they took out all 4.
Take 1 to 2 tablets. I think to start out, you want to take 2 or you want to just take 1?
This is really bad.
Oh.
You want McDonald's now?
They have fruit parfaits.
I don't know what the granola, if that'll get...
You want me to chew it up for you?
You're hungry? Okay, do you want more applesauce? Jello?
I don't want none of that shit.
Yeah.
You want ketchup?
I probably like such a big crying girl.
Yeah, just throw up a peace sign, you'll be a baddie again. It's fine.
Okay, so it is now the next day, and as you can tell, my face is very, very swollen, so I'm talking a little bit different. But in those clips that you just saw, I wasn't crying because it hurt, because it really didn't. I don't even really know why I was crying. I think it was because of the medication, but I wasn't in pain or anything. Like, it was also really weird while I was editing watching those clips because I don't normally swear, and especially like in front of my parents, that was like really bad. But yeah, if anybody's gonna be doing this and is nervous about it, I didn't feel any pain at all during the surgery. Obviously, I was knocked out. The last thing I remember before the surgery was them putting the mask on me, and then I was out, and then the first thing I remember when I woke up was waking up in my bed. I don't remember the car ride. I don't remember anything like that. And it was when I woke up in my bed like a couple hours after, because when I was on the laughing gas, I still wasn't aware. So I was watching about those clips, even though I was like home and in my bed, I still don't remember saying any of that stuff. I'm probably gonna take a shower in a bit, but I slept through the whole entire night. I didn't wake up once. I was able to lay on my side, like it didn't hurt that bad, because I'm definitely a side sleeper. I cannot fall asleep on my back. So yeah, it hurts to swallow just because like I have to flex my cheeks for that, and it hurts to like smile or open my mouth too wide. So I've been eating really soft foods like applesauce, jello, and all that boring stuff. Yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below if you have gotten your wisdom teeth out already, because I'm curious. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all of my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and bye guys.